Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Bestway's 16-foot pool set with Taylor Water Test Kit. Beat the heat this summer in this pool Bestway 16-foot by 48-inch Steel Pro. This swimming pool set is great for families who want a summer of fun without the work and maintenance of an in-ground pool. Included with the pool is a 680-gallon filter pump, filter cartridge, ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover, so you'll be set for installation. But before you hop in, make sure the water is clean and safe with the included Taylor K 2006 Pool Water FAS-DPD Chlorine Test Kit. This kit includes tests for chlorine, pH, acid and base, alkalinity, calcium hardness, and cyanuric acid. Product benefits: easy to assemble, no tools required. Heavy-duty, rust-resistant steel frame. Keep your swimming pool clean with the Taylor K 2006 Pool Water Chlorine Test Kit. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.